Hiccups happen when your diaphragm suddenly jerks or spasms without you controlling it. The diaphragm is a muscle under your lungs that helps you breathe in and out. When it spasms, it quickly pulls air into your throat and your vocal cords snap shut. That's what makes the hic sound. This can happen if you eat too fast or drink soda. Swallowing air or sudden temperature changes can also trigger these little spasms. Most hiccups are harmless and stop on their own after just a short time. Simple tricks like holding your breath or drinking water slowly often help them stop. They're just a sign of your breathing muscles and nerves working together.